Yes, wonderful people. Welcome to today's show. Today not Comedy Friday. Every Friday on Talk Comedy Friday. And today, oh yeah, behave yourself. Behave. not mind our Twitter. They actually bought because people they actually talk to us on Twitter. Now, if you want to make your message make this kind of sound, you're gonna need to send us a message on Twitter at Princess Uwi, at Betiana, at Oluwa Skimpy. Now today we will tell you 7 sets of annoying people every Nigeria and we don't meet. 7 sets of annoying people every Nigeria don't actually meet. And we go send you that one. And don't forget, say every Friday we'll also give you a celebrity with the tutorials well on top of the show, plus including body Kajad. And we will get one Kajad guest who will join us inside the studio. So it's a beautiful day. So keep on the send us message on Twitter while we they relate with you for the. Welcome to the show again. The ladies go talk to you on top 1 or 2 things where you go expect today.
You don't talk everything. I don't know the one way you want me to talk. You say body Kajad, he did there. You say you go tell us 7 people for inside Obodo Naija, where you say we go meet, he did there. And then the one where we go join put again now the 4 ways where you say you go take handle depression. Now depression now one thing where you say you don't summer plenty of Nigerians for inside we Obodo. So how you want take handle them? How you want take no? Say you even get them. We go discuss them today on top of the show. My name is Betiana and welcome to Talk.
Yes, and to conclude, every way we and Betiana don't talk. No forget say you go get do it in. You go get sit down with us from the beginning enter the ending of the show. May you forget the 411 of everything we don't talk about. My name is Skimpy and I salute and I say on a good afternoon.
All right, you don't hear around from there. So today go day very wonderful. Now time for us to give you the celebrity where they tutorials where we're Skippy. Who they tutorials today?
Yes, the celebrity where they tutorials on top today levels na Chinedu Ikedieze aka Aki.
Aki! Let's go there.
Chinedu Ikedieze na ogbonge Nigeria actor wey plenty country people sabi as Aki. December 12, 1977 inside Abia State, na dem for born this popular Naija actor. Chinedu Ikedieze na unique actor as he don show himself inside plenty Nigerian movies. Im size for number 1 make am stand out inside plenty other actors wey we get for Obodo Naija. Chinedu Ikedieze don feature inside plenty Nigerian movie and 95% of this movie na the ones wey im do with Osita Eme wey be another Naija actor wey get the same stature like am. Chinedu Ikedieze get breakthrough inside the movie industry when im do im first movie wey plenty people take sabi am and the movie name na Aki na Ukwa. Inside 2007, this ogbonge actor received Lifetime Achievement Award inside the African Movie Academy Award. Im con still gbab Corvette National Award wey Oga Federal Government give am when they make am member of the Order of the Federal Republic of Nigeria inside 2011. Still inside December 2011, Chinedu Ikedieze come marry in lovey-dovey wey her name na Nneoma, wey be fashion designer. And inside 2012, this couple welcome their lovely daughter. On top today levels, we the talk ladies throwaway salute give you Chinedu Ikedieze. As now you be the celeb with tutorials this week. Yes, that one are the wonderful Chinedu Ikedieze. Yes, we don't see how you can take finally marry in lovey-dovey. That one are to tell them say height, no limit any man. Whatever you they plan to do, just make sure say you achieve them. Very important.
No, apart from the issue of height, it just means that no matter what people consider as disability to you, it not actually be disability as long as you put your mind, okay, you know what, I want to achieve this thing, and you actually get focused to make sure, say, no matter what it be, say, I limit me for inside this life, I go overcome that limitation, and I go achieve anything what I want to achieve. Kudos to you, Chinedu.
Very true. I said the first time when I see him on screen, Aki na Popo. That be the first time.
Yeah.
I don't know that in first movie.
But
now that one.
Nah, Aki na Ukwa na be the movie we bring
okay,
out.
where him come be Aki, the other one come be Popo. And I actually admire them. I admire the fact that they don't let within their as in their height take limit them. Now people where they achieve greatness. Not being they give honors. Not knowing they give honors during the time of our past presidential time, they actually give this merit award. So kudos to you and keep on doing the best way if you do for inside the Nigeria industry. I'm very soon. I know say baby go enter.
Yes,
Beautiful baby. All right, it's time for us to give you all the discussions that we will carry on give you today. Now, 7 sets of annoying people every Nigerian don't meet. Every Nigeria don't actually meet. And all of us here, so we don't actually meet them. So let's talk about them. Number one, those people where they sleep inside bus and they rest their head on your shoulder. Anybody don't actually, you not saints for this particular one?
No, definitely not.
My sister, me said I don't do
not.
it. I can't even lie. All those years of hustle, where we say you go don't come out from early morning, like around 5, and you know they go out until about 10. Now something where we say if you do, especially for inside the city of Lagos, you go don't experience them, and person go don't do them to you, and truly, they're very annoying. Especially for those people where say they don't sweat, they don't know say they go use body spray, they don't know say they need to smell fine, and then all of a sudden.
Spray for your body, you know,
Yes. So many times this thing they pain person, especially when your mood know they very good. You know the other person on the mood. That one just bring in shoulder on top of you. So this now I would just advise anybody. Yes, it is okay for sleep to catch you inside bus. Some people they will know just like journey. Some people they will know like to travel. So the best thing for you now, I say, if sleep they catch you, just put your head on top the front seat of, on top the back seat of person where they your front. And they do that one well, very guilty of that one. They do one well.
It just reminds me of one day why we travel from Lagos to Benin, and person will sleep for my. I don't know. Don't say me I dey sleep now. So the person can come and sleep. So me I can't sleep with my head on top of his head.
On top of your own head?
On top of the person's head for my body. As I wake up, the thing irritates me.
Now come be like couple. Now be like
exactly.
Now man said.
Now be like couple.
It actually irritates me.
Beautiful couple.
What about those way they actually bring out some whatever from their mouth? Come put their heads for your shoulder. So this one has 7. This one joined the annoying set of people.
This is not number 1, as in it fits for number 1.
All right, so let's see number 2. Those people where they take long for ATM. Hey! What are you doing?
That one can pay.
My fellow Nigerians. Now, if you know say you no understand the method of using ATM.
Carry person follow body.
Or you know say you no get money inside there. No go the form say you get money. They delay others we actually get. I beg you. I beg you.
I beg you.
It is very annoying.
But you know say some of them, I no go just blame some people. You know why? Some people they will be saying now 100K, now they won't collect, and that ATM machine fit dispense past 20K at a time. So you know they need to collect them 5 times. But if now you did the back of that kind of person, go they pay you, but you know
especially if queue there.
Yes.
Maybe not
yes.
maybe now just that one ATM there for that particular location.
What I try bring and I be say sometimes no be the people fault. Not just because they gas come more than 100K.
I actually agree with you. And at the same time, you get some kind of ATM machines where we say then they slow. Like say tomorrow no day. Like you go there for the thing to even bring out PIN code alone go take like 5 minutes. So even the banks,
it's still very annoying. It's still very annoying. Say you stay for queue and you stay for ATM for 100 years. I beg, allow person use them, please. All right, number 3, and set of annoying people where every Nigeria don't meet. Those people where don't make them their business to look your phone when you dey inside bus.
Hey, oh my guys.
But I don't understand why.
I don't know. You go the chat.
Well, especially when you know be my friend.
It's annoying me. You go the chat, person they look. And so one day I say, excuse me, ma, you want to, I don't understand.
Oh, you tell the person.
I just because it was too much.
Yes, because they paying person.
I send message to person, she they look. I say, excuse me, what happened? She just look front.
I don't understand why some people they do like that. No poke nose into another person matter. Okay, if you don't even do them, I don't know. I still don't understand. But some people go just make and they very obvious. As you they type, in fact, before you type waiting you want typing, they don't know waiting you want right. So for
that
me,
kind of person,
I know just
you know
like
if
that.
they load recharge card for where they do, the thing don't miss with that.
My
You're on
sister.
your own now.
So you have to be careful, and you where they do them, I beg, stop them. No, they look person phone for inside bus.
Stop them.
Whether that's in a bus, whether that's on a stand for queue, whether that's on a day for the same.
Anywhere.
Not look person phone, especially if they not invite you. I beg you. Number 4, set of annoying people where every Nigerian don't meet. Those boys for market where they drag you.
Now, my fellow Nigerians, if you know say you don't enter Yaba or Lagos Island, trust me, dragging is your portion in life. Because then go make a point of duty, no way where you want to escape them, as in you know fit. Now, one of the many reasons why our princess they enter inside market.
No, because eventually you go come they explain. Person where you know any explanation, you're going to, I don't want to buy anything. I just the waka go.
They can't join put
Like just imagine like this video. So just see this video now. See, they go wait, see, why you they drag her? Now by force to buy her, they go take cloth on top the matter.
No, you know what's happening? This kind of thing, when Yaba still they very highly populated, yes. Yaba was pass. If I dey go market, I know if I person where they date me go. Because that day, 90% go know the bad place where they your body. Because if you just look at just say, why you're down long like this? Okay, her leg no good though. See her kid there.
Those Yaba boys.
And they don't for there.
My sister, when they drag you rich, if they go drag you rich, but if you say leave and they say wait till you find pass as you be. My wife find pass you for us. What they worry?
Or they say you still the market since you never go.
You know what? If fear me one time now, I just come Lagos then, and one girl for that Yaba market area, she wear short thing. If you see the way they take embarrass that girl, some people can't even touch her. As in, I felt the kind of fear will actually hold me then. I couldn't even look myself. So even the shirt where I wear, they're not going to drag her for me. They harass the girl. That's not why to go market, all those kind of market with the highly populated, they actually
fear you.
Because I don't understand.
Then just they like that. Then just they like that. I don't think say them feel stop them because he already did their blood. But as you talk, they need to stop them because the point I be say, person will won't buy something from you. You don't need drag. For me, if you even drag me,
I know
if
go
you
buy
get
again.
the thing, I know they buy.
Me, the one where they actually, I pass or say drag me. If you drag me, I'll say, bros, please leave me. Person go leave me. If you call me my wife.
You know what's happened? So you talk remind me very recently on Sunday we do one party for one of our children. As they do the party, now some people they come the venue and they beg for something. They go say, hey, give me drink, give me food, give me this. And we don't shout, style good. We know they give you. So reach one point, I can say, okay, say now water you want. May not be like say a person they use water do different wicked. Now I give the guy water. Now the guy say, thank you. I go marry you. If you see the way I shout, the God forbid. You got to say, now cost now the guy cost
my
me.
wife. Stop it, please. Stop it. All right, we're going to need to buy a small break. Now, when we come back after the break, we'll give you 3 more set of annoying people where every Nigerian don't meet. And also, we will send you 4 ways on how to handle depression. So just stay with us, not go anywhere. All right, welcome back. Now, we don't search 7 sets of annoying people where every Nigerian don't meet. We don't tell you, number 1, those people where they sleep for your body for inside bus. Number 2, people where they take long for ATM. Number 3, those people where don't make them their business, so they look your phone when you there for inside bus. Number 4, the Igbo boys where they drag you for inside market. Let's see number 5, 6, and 7. Number 5, conductors where they assume, say, you get sister for inside the bus. Make I explain to you now.
No, I even understand.
Now you enter bus, you give conductor money. Say, now, she be to Lekki, na 200, take him. And now 150, so take and give me change. The man reach bus up, he drop you, give you one person to share 100 naira. He say, make una share and go exchange her. Is that my sister? Why you not just give me my own change? Must I met with person to collect my change?
Okay, as you explain, and I can't understand that well. Now that one way then they say join in.
Yes.
Where they can't join on that together. And you know, see this thing get disadvantage for so many people. Because I know say it don't happen to me like once or twice. You can't begin go they find change with the person. No, most of the time you buy waiting you no one buy.
Yes.
Because you need to settle the other person. You yourself need the remaining money, or sometimes if the money not just too big, one person will just pay for the other person.
Which is totally unacceptable.
Just like the idea.
But now something way there for Nigeria, we will not feel actually avoid. All right, make I give you number 6. Number 6, passengers where they preach for bus.
Yeah,
now, apart from the fact say that they preach for bus, if you not mention amen, you are the next target.
I get personal experience.
Tell us your experience.
Now, when I see the work for my former office, you know, some kind of times when you wake up for morning and you go work, especially the days where you don't want to go work, no matter as bad read, the only thing you want hear for inside bus now that where the bus they make.
Yes.
As you don't want hear anybody voice. Now that kind of mood I did that particular day they go. Now this man began with him preaching. I don't want hear anything about how God takes save the world. I not just want hear anything where the guy they talk. So as the guy they talk, now one elderly man just say, my friend, You are making noise. I said, God bless you, sir.
Thank you.
Then everybody just face us, begin to attack us. Say,
Yeah,
witches
evil.
and wizards. Preach on. Fire me burn them.
Is it like...
My sister. I come here, the man, we can't look ourselves, we can't begin laugh. You go look yourself, say, look the people where they say preach on fire, we burn them. They be like people where fire don't already roast.
Now, you know, it's the people who put this one together, the Info NG, they come outside talk, say, this one, they very seriously annoying because most of these preachers, they act as if you not get Jesus for your life.
My sister.
And if you not talk amen after their prayer, they go use their word to stop you.
They'll come look you.
There's a sister in this car with trouser. Una know they say, as in they go attack you.
They're not going to tell you so, no, they'll say amen. They're going to look you like this, say, all these sisters that wear big bangle earrings. You cannot make the kingdom of heaven. You will go to hell. And they're going to look you eyeball to eyeball. So you know saying that you that they use the preach.
So you're
very annoying.
You have been mandated to say amen by force.
I not go talk amen. Beat me.
Now the latest one now, you did bust or they'll come preach. You must to give money. Now how they give? Auntie, I just prayed. Give me money. I know they give.
Who tell you that one?
No, then they do. Especially for all this big transport company when you dey travel. Yes, if they say 5 minutes time, your boss go move not to enter. They'll come preach, come pray. They'll come bring baskets, come outside.
Offering time.
They bring more. Nah, they bring basket come outside. So you put money
for those
inside.
who they put it. I know some Nigerians they're very religious. They'll come say, oh, I they travel. May I just drop off it so that God will save.
Those people know their target. They know. Again, one boy enter one day, the man. And so it just be like say you dey Lekki and you dey go Badagry. And so the man preach for inside bus till we reach where I go put now? Orile. He not come down.
Yeah, he ready to travel.
People don't drop money now. So they try talk. Please just drop anything to support the ministry.
That's so then they talk. You just hit the nail on top of the head.
Okay. All right. And the last set of annoying people where every Nigerian not meet, the bus driver where go park on for road to pick passengers. All of us don't experience them. This one will come make you go late for where they go because now road they want park to pick passengers.
Or to drop passengers.
Or to drop.
And they're very annoying because the new one where all these downfall drivers don't learn. They say when the police can't hold them or last man hold them, say, okay, you park for the wrong place, we won't arrest you, they'll come naked. I tell you, I don't see them on 2 different locations. I see them for Aja, I see them for mainland as well.
What do you be the nakedness for?
So that they know if you hold them now. You as if you be first man, person naked, reach ground for your front. Where you want hold them?
Oh, no idea, Sha.
That's a very nice strategy. Why you not go just bundle the person like that?
But I never see who go flog them. I sure say one day.
One day.
The one way go knock them on top of the nakedness. They
when you don't too much.
It don't do too much because now I don't see them twice now.
All right, we don't sort you 7 set of annoying people where every Nigerian go meet. These annoying people actually, they make living in Nigeria beautiful. Now, yes, they make living in Nigeria beautiful because as we get annoying people, now so we still get people where they make us happy. Because now we they talk about how we they laugh for inside here. So the annoying, they also make us laugh. You and that man, after the man don't say, yes, so my brother, what's happened at the end of the day? People attack now.
We begin to laugh.
You know what? Oyibo people don't talk and finish. Say to every coin they get 2 sides.
Your side,
the good and the bad side. If not only the good, now the we say we not go enjoy the country.
I tell you.
That's the point.
I tell you.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.